Hey guys, Derek here. Just wanted to give you a quick demonstration of drilling doors and drawer fronts on the SC350. It's a self-centering door and drawer front drilling machine for your hardware, handles, and knobs. Right now we're drilling a small part. We've got the spacing set on the drills for 128 millimeters. We're placing the part in here, and it centers that over the drills, front to back, side to side, and then we hit the button, and we've got two holes drilled for 128 millimeter spacing, perfectly centered on the drawer front. Once again, side to side, front to back, two buttons, and there you go. Now we're going to set it up. I'm going to show you how we're going to drill for a set of paired doors. We've set the spacing on the back fence for how far we want it off of the back fence and how far up off the bottom. We drilled the first one on the right hand stop. The second one we've drilled on the left hand stop, and now when we look at it, we've got a set of pair doors drilled for hardware, matches perfectly every time. Now we're going to switch it over to knobs. We switch the stop, set the drill spacing to 96 millimeters, and what that does is it centers one drill right over it. We put a cover over the other button so that we don't accidentally drill it, and we push that button and we drill one single hole right in the middle of the machine, in the part. So it's perfect every time, and when we change sizes of parts, we don't have to do anything else other than center it front to back on the machine and drill away. We can drill the knobs on doors and handles and everything like that. This last one I'm going to show you how to drill, how easy it is to set up and drill for two handles on a single drawer front. You can do the same thing with knobs or with handles. So we're going to center the part front to back, but we've set the stop on the side to the dimension of where we want things. We did our math beforehand, and we're going to go ahead and drill the first set of holes here on one side of the part, and then we're going to go ahead and run that on the other stop, and we'll have it all set up for two handles. There you have it, drawer front all ready for two handles. The machine itself is pretty compact. We've got these folding steel tables so you can work on it without having additional carts. And it's on wheels and can slide out of the way nice. The adjustment wheel for the drill spacing is right on the front of the machine, making it easy to move the drills back and forth for the perfect spacing. We put a nice onboard air tank on it so that air drills have plenty of air to operate off of a standard air line.